So I decided to try the new fried pickles from Popeyes. I've had fried pickles before, but I've never had them from a fast food place, so let's see how they taste. Now I did reheat them in the oven for a few minutes on 420 just to get them crispy. All right, let's try it with the blackened ranch. Let's see. Seriously, not bad. Not bad. I think the blackened ranch might taste better than the regular ranch, but I just like spice and flavor. So let's try this nice big thick piece. It's just me. I can double dip. Good.